Hey guys, so now it's time to declare some functions for our past project, that is our retail billing system. So till now what we have done is we have just created the interface like this, but someone commented that the subcategory is not working even after selecting the category, right? It's because we haven't worked on our that, right? So I didn't say that we finished our project, so we need to work upon that, right? So let's start it. So here we will have a function called welcome, just to you know have text in our text area field. So it will just say def welcome self, and into that we are going to say self dot text area dot delete 1.0, right? This statement will just erase all the data that it is present in our text field, right? And then we are going to add data, that is our welcome, the menu of our bill, right? So it just say that retail billing system, then just some designing bill number, and we are going to pass bill number into it, and then customer name, and then passing customer name into it. Again we are just going to say phone number and passing phone number into it, and then we are going to pass our products, and we are going to pass our email. And now we need some lines just to decorate our bill. So we'll just say plus is equal to 53, right? That means we will just have another new line, and then equal to for 53 times. We'll just print something like this, right? Lines of equal to, and then we are going to pass products, quantity, and prices. We are not going to pass the data. We are just going to mention that this table belongs to this particular product or quantity or price, right? And then we will just say again 53 equal to, and then we are going to work on our category function. So basically in this function we are going to add our category combo box to our subcategory, right? So we'll just say self.combo category dot get. We're just going to get the data which is present in our combo box, and then we will say configure value is equal to self dot subcategory fruit, right? So whatever the data present in the combo box will be passed into this variable, right? Now we'll just say another thing, current dot zero, and then we are going to just set that combo box to zero, and then we will say again if it is a drink, then we will just say same as the fruit, right? So now we are going to make function for sub product add, right? So we'll just say product add self comma event is equal to none, and then we'll say if self dot combo subcategory dot get is equal to, like fruit means apple, right? So we'll just say apple, and then we are going to pass self dot combo box dot configure, and we'll configure our variables to apple, right? Now same goes for banana, and then we'll just say self.combobox.product 0. Now we have another product, that is our raw apple or fruity. Okay. Okay. So we have product of fruity, right? That falls under drink. So basically, it also counts as a product, right? So we are going to edit over here. If you want to add more products, so you can add it over here. Like you can add as many as product over here, and then add it over here too, so that you have a perfect combo box widget. And then we are just going to say def price. So now we are going to work upon price combo box, right? So it just say that hashtag apple means we are going to write it for apple. Now if self dot combo product dot get is equal to green, means if it is a green apple, then we are going to set the price, means set the combo box uh, price to green apple, right? So we'll just say set self dot combo price dot configure value is equal to self dot price green, right? So whatever the value present in the green will be displayed on our combo box, right? And then we will just say current is equal to 0. Again quantity dot set 1. So basically we are just going to set our quantity variable or quantity widget to 1. Means the default quantity will be 1. If the user want to increase it, he or she can just increase it from our user interface, right? Now same goes for the variable, right? Now for banana, yeah, it goes the same, raw banana and a ripe banana, right? Now for the fruity, we are just going to say cold fruity and a chilled, means a normal fruity. I think it's pretty much done over here. Okay, so we are going to add Fanta also. Well, it's done over here, right? So now it's time to run. So we'll just say run, and over here you can see just we have worked on our these all categories, right? So our buttons will not work because we didn't code it, right? Now we are going to say select a fruit. Okay, it's not working. Let's see what happened. Okay, so I got the problem. Now what we have done is we have created function, but we didn't call it or we didn't bind it to our combo box, right? So here we are just going to say that self dot combo category dot bind, and then we are going to say combo box selected, means whichever selected combo box it will bind the function to it, right? So we'll just say self dot categories. Again, for here it goes the same. We just need to say self dot add product add, right? And then again it just say copy and paste it over here. We will just say product add and prices, right? So we'll just say price over here. Price, sorry, price. Price. Now let's run it. Okay, so now if we select this fruit, okay, still it's not running. Let me check it. Okay, so what we have done is we forgot to change our name over here. So we just say combo subcategory, right? So we'll just say subcategory over here, and over here we'll just say combo product. So we'll just say combo product, right? So now we are just going to run it again and see if it works. Fruit, okay, then apple, okay, and then a green apple. So price is 120. We can't change our price because we don't want our user to change the price, but we can change the quantity over here, right? As many quantity you want. Again, if we say drinks and then we say a fruity, then here we have two options of a cold fruity or a normal fruity, and then again the prices are changed. So yes, we have completed our category combo box, or like all the combo boxes over here and a widget. So the last thing is we have to work on our buttons. And also you can see over here we have a text area where it is displaying our welcome. So the welcome function which we have made, it's basically to display this whole thing right over here. So now every time we say clear it, we are going to clear whole this thing, and then we are going to call the welcome function again, that we will see in our next video. For now we have completed our combo box things, right? So this was all about today. Thank you.